Our project boat is back with our friends at Keel Marine for a brand new taco rub rail. Boat outfitters sent it ready to install, so John and his team are working to put those docking dings behind us.
Now, is this a do-it-yourself project?
It is, you know, in most cases, yes, John. And I think through this segment, we're going to show you the ins and outs.
I mean, it's packaged like you could grab it right off the shelf, right?
It is, and in fact, they are on the shelves, you know.
All right, let's see what we brought.
Okay, buddy.
We've got a 25-footer.
Yes.
As usual, Boat Outfitters sends us everything we need right here in this nice kit. Taco Marine sends this ready to go, which is quite amazing, right?
Absolutely. Sure does. What this kit is, it's a semi-flexible rub rail. It's in two pieces, and we've got the more rigid portion at the base, which is the white. As you'll see, we'll be replacing exactly what Zach over here is taking off.
So we went for the white with this really cool chrome insert, right?
Yeah, with the white with the chrome insert. What's nice about this is you get that nice chrome finish, and you don't have all the screwing to do through the rub rail like the older products used to.
So this caps over the white rub rail. The
Absolutely.
white rub rail has the screws.
Yep, and this is going to cap over. Once that new white rub rail is mounted, it's going to fill right in, and you're going to see all chrome.
Again, I don't know that our old Aquasport is worthy, man. There's a lot of chrome, there's a lot of bright, there's a lot of white.
A lot of chrome, a lot of bright, a lot of white, but what we find in our business is there's a lot of people that would rather, you know, love the boat than list it and keep it. And, you know, a lot of times that makes real economical sense. This is a 60-foot kit, so we measured out about 27 foot overall per side of rub rail, so we fit right in the margin.
And I normally would give this a go in the driveway, but since the old Aquasport is here at Keel Marine, I'd rather have your guys take a look at it.
Absolutely, we'd love to show you how to do it.
All right, let's go.
Okay.
So John, how do we get this shape? It doesn't come molded like that,
Certainly
right?
doesn't. No, and that's a great question. Back in the day, this came in sections. So you can see here, we're hitting the end of the port stern section.
Got a
so,
cut right there.
Yep, and so what I recommend in the DIY world is certainly to preserve this piece so you can get a really good measurement and some shape contour of what that curve is going to be like. So we're just about at the end here pulling this piece. And we're just going to...
If at any point you want me to bring this to my driveway and pick up this project, I'm capable, you know.
Absolutely.
But at this point, since it's here, we'll let you do it.
Hey, we're happy to do it.
Well, John, look at this chrome, baby.
Yeah, nice, isn't it?
It's one of the end caps, right?
Absolutely, yeah.
This is solid stuff.
That's nice, and it's going to finish us off on the stern. Once we get our end spot on the stern piece, that's going to cap it, make it real tidy, and it's going to look great.
And then we've got this cool little light accessory.
So this is a rub rail inserted LED navigation light. Once the rub rail is done, we're going to crop out a piece of the actual insert, and this is going to lay in, and really what it's going to be is looking like that with the light behind it, and that's going to give us our navigation lights for the bow. We'll finish that off, and then you'll be navigating through your rub rail.
John, look at that. I mean, that is some heavy duty rubber.
Sure is, sure is. Yep, kind of brings us back to our conversation about getting this heated up a bit for pliability on the install. There's no way you can put it on like that.
I couldn't be in the driveway.
No.
Trying to get that on the boat with my wife's hairdryer.
That's it. No way.
All right, so what happens here?
Yeah, so we're now at the point the entire rub rail has been removed around the whole boat. We're going to lay a bead of sealant across the lower edge just to give us a little more water tightness on the hull to deck joint. And then we're going to, on final install with the rub rail, once we start going on, we will be adding our final layer of sealant for the new holes. And that's the trick.
Well, as usual, you and the team here at Keel Marine doing it the right way.
That's it.
And making it so we can take our old Aquasport and bump a piling or two again. I promise I won't do that, man.
That's it. Rubbing is racing, as they say, right?
Rubbing is racing. Love it.
Thanks to our friends at Boat Outfitters for helping us transform our project boat one upgrade at a time, delivering quality custom hatches, storage, and accessories. Our trusted partner in bringing our project boat back better than ever. You can find the full boat build series at driftsociably.com and at driftsociably on social media. Like, follow, share, subscribe, and drift sociably with us.